Combat Off-Road, off the turnbuckle hood latch, installation video. Tools needed: 2 wrenches, 13mm, hex key, 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, a ratchet, 10mm, 13mm sockets, and adjustable wrench. Time to secure your hood. Grab your OEM hood latch, pop it open. You're going to secure the hood with the hood prop. You're going to look up to the top. You're going to have 2 bolts at the top. You're going to do 2 nuts and 1 nut on the back. Hood latch bracket. Grab your 10mm wrench. Locate the 2 bolts on the hood, on the inside of the hood. Remove with 10mm wrench. You can discard all the hardware. Locate your 13mm wrench, or you can use a ratchet. I recommend quarter drive with a 13mm socket. There's a single nut on the inside of the fender, and you can get to it without taking anything off, and then that will remove that bracket. Grab the bottom bracket, have it facing straight out, and have the cable facing the front of the Jeep. You're going to grab your gasket. You're going to grab the larger Allen bolt, and you're going to need a flat washer and the nut. You're basically going to start that, and you're going to center that, and then tighten firm. Okay, brackets lined up, pins facing forward, and we're ready to move on to the hood bracket. Okay, installation of the hood bracket. You're going to grab your stanchion and your base plate and the rubber gasket. You're going to put those together. You're going to grab an Allen bolt, flat washer, and a nut. You're going to center those in there and snug them firm. Adjusting the hood alignment with the rod end. You're going to take your rod end, you're going to put the rod ends about equal threads, left to right. You're going to grab your little spacer, you start it on the bolt, grab the rod end, and as you hang that off the edge of the bolt, you're going to fit the rod end in, and then you can start those threads by hand and then tighten firm. Very important, you have a left hand and a right hand jam nut. Make sure they are tightened accordingly by holding the center turnbuckle. Thank you. Just want to check that hood alignment. You already have the turnbuckle in the bottom, the jam nut. You're just going to adjust the top part. Once you get it to where the hood's nice and level, you're going to grab the pin. You're going to engage it, and then we'll keep it taut. Now it's time to do the jam nuts. Everything looks good. You're going to grab an adjustable wrench or a 13mm wrench. And you're going to hold the center turnbuckle, and you're going to tighten the left-handed jam nut and the right-handed jam nut. So don't forget that lefties reverse. So top and bottom, and that's jamming the nut on the turnbuckle, and that secures the hood latch all together. Okay, all done. Way to go. Simply repeat those steps for the passenger side.